Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Please, if you are hearing any noise, there's a construction going on and I cannot control that, so please pardon me for that. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Bukola, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. You guys, I am so grateful for you guys for engaging with me in the comment section in my yesterday video where I dropped about my vaccine. So in today's video, this is another one, and to be honest, I did not even plan. I never planned on filming this particular one because it is so simple, but I'm like I don't want to put out a video today before because I'm just tired. I'm over it, but all the same, this should be so easier to film. So in today's video, I will show you guys how you can remove your blackhead with egg is just 15 naira, and you need a paper towel. But if you don't have a paper towel at home, you're just going to buy paper towel of 100 naira. So it is very, very affordable. So if you want to remove your blackhead and you don't want to like just DIY, then you're going to be doing it like this. So you guys, I'm just going to crack this egg now. See, there's oil on my hand. So I'm just going to crack this egg now so that I can remove the white. You only need the white when you want to make this. You don't need the full or the yolk of the egg. So I'm just going to crack it. Just the white. I'm doing it in a way so that, because several times when I try to remove the yolk of egg, I always like flop. Yeah, I think this works. Wow. So you guys, I'm just going to mix this shell inside. This is my egg here, and this is what I'm going to be using. And I don't have a tissue paper, so I'm opting in for this, a serviette. This is what I'll be using. So I just need to remove one and then pieces it, like just remove it, because that's what we are going to use to layer it and just strip it off, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm just going to do it like this. You guys can see, like this is how it's going to look like. It's now very soft, like a paper towel. So this is what we're going to be like using. So I will use this, my makeup brush. I can't find the big one, and that's not going to delay me. So you just apply this particular egg mix on that area that you know you have blackhead. So if I'm looking here, just know that I'm looking at the mirror. So just how you are going to apply it. Your whole, just put your this thing inside and just apply it on that particular area that you have whitehead. I'm only applying it on my nose and as well my chin. That's where I have blackhead, basically. Guys, this is what it looks like when I apply it on my nose, and then I am going to apply it on my chin as well, because I noticed like doing it like one is going to be better. So I'm going to be applying it on my chin as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to leave it to dry. I only apply it on the area that I have whitehead and not on all areas. So that's where I only apply it. I know some people used to apply it all over their face, but I can't take that because it's not painful though, but I can't take that. I can only apply it where I have the blackhead. So I'm just going to wait for like 30 minutes. So I'm going to go and do another thing, so then come back and come out. You guys, so it's very much dry now, and I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like or how you should remove it. It's not painful. You guys, I don't know if it's showing on camera, but you can see my nose. It's as if it's neat. It's as if I just pull out something out of that nose there. Let me remove the second one. Yeah, I don't know if it's showing on camera. If you are looking at it through this thing, you will see that that place looks very neat and clean. So this is what you're going to see when you try to like remove your blackhead, or this is how you can do it when you want to remove your blackhead, and it is so effective, very, very effective. You can try it as well. If you try, let me know, tag me, let me see And if I've ever used it before, let's know as well if you like it, if it works. Sometimes I don't go for this. Most of the time I don't even go for this, but I just want to try this DIY and show you guys as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you always get notified anytime I drop new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.